Because we've not been mixing so much with people from the COVID-19 and the pandemic problems, we've not allowed our children, our babies, our toddlers, to get these respiratory viruses, the coughs and the colds so much. Most children with these viruses can be cared for at home with help from your GP or calling 111 and getting the help. It is, however, important to ring 999 for an ambulance if there are long pauses in your baby's breathing or they are having difficulties with the breathing. Your baby's tongue or lips becomes blue. The ambulance with highly skilled paramedics will help your child quickly. They will take you to the nearest hospital with an emergency department to look after sick children with the correct specialists on site and the correct facilities and equipment right there to help your child. Currently in Hywel, it's Bronglais Hospital in Aberystwyth, Glangwili Hospital in Cymraeg.